What if I told you right now, someone in the Philippines just earned 500 pesos? They probably earn it while they're sleeping or just going about their normal day, just sipping coffee. Guys, that is the reality of selling digital products. And today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano yan exactly ginagawa kahit you're starting from 0 pesos or 0 skills. And before you say, ay, scam yan, stick with me because by the end of this video, you will understand why this is one of the most practical, lowest cost business anyone like you can start right now. Hey guys! Welcome back dito sa ating channel. Nag-share tayo dito mga practical ways for Filipinos to earn money online. So if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now here's the thing guys, one of the fastest way to start earning online even before you create your digital product is through TikTok affiliate. There's a problem. You need 600 followers before you can start. But what if I told you there's a way around that? And it's 100% legit. So guys, it's called Ecomobi Pasio and it's the only affiliate network in Southeast Asia that covers the Philippine market. And yes guys, you can already start earning commissions right now, today, while you're still building your digital product business. So guys, to join, just open the Ecomobi Pasio app, tap Publisher, select TikTok Affiliate External Traffic. In the campaign, select TikTok. Open the highest commission link list, select a product, and search it in the bar. Click on generate link, copy it, and then you can share it anywhere, guys. And you can watch your money coming in your dashboard. So it's that easy, guys. Make sure you join Ecomobi's Viber community for tips and hot picks every single month. Click the link below so you can start earning right now. So once you're done with that, let's go ahead and build that digital product business. So ano ba guys yung digital product? A digital product is something that you create once but you can sell them over and over again. So for example, si Taylor Swift, gumawa siya ng kanta. Every time may bibili or may makikinig sa song niya, hindi naman niya i-record ulit yan, di ba? So it's the same with digital product. You create something like a template and then pwede mo siyang ibenta ng paulit-ulit online. So ano ba yung mga examples ng digital product? So karamihan dito is printables. We also have templates. Karamihan nakikita ko sa YouTube, Canva templates yung binebenta nila. And then you also have the ebooks and guides. You can also sell digital art. Kabilang na rin sa digital products, guys, yung mga courses. So there's infinite possibilities when it comes to digital products. And here is the best part. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking budget for this. As long as you have a computer, a connection to the internet, you can start with as low as 0 pesos talaga. Kasi karamihan naman sa mga tools na ginagamit for digital products are free. So here's the number one mistake most sellers make, guys. Nagka-create muna sila ng product bago nila ibenta. So wag niyong gawin yun, guys. Do a market research first. So this is the most important step. Find out first what people are actually buying and then create it. So here's an easy 3-step marketing research. Number 1, pwede kayong mag-check sa Etsy. Tingnan nyo lang yung mga products na gusto nyong gawin or your niche idea. Tingnan nyo lang yung mga listings with the most reviews. That means people are actually buying that template. So, yan na yung proof mo na may demand dun sa gagawin mo na digital product. Number 2, pwede nyo rin gamitin guys yung Everbee. It is a free tool. Just go to everbee.io. So, Chrome extension yan, guys, that will show you the estimated monthly revenue of any Etsy listing. And then, number 3 tool is Google Trends. So, punta lang kayo sa trends.google.com. Okay, and then, type nyo yung keyword nyo. Ano ba yung naisip nyong gawin? And then, tingnan nyo yung demand. Tip ko sa inyo guys, huwag kayong gumawa ng generic kasi specific products will definitely sell better than selling something that's general. So ito yung ginawa ko guys sa parang GCash cash out fee table. Usually makikita nyo tong mga tables na to sa mga sari-sari store when they're cashing out or cashing in. Pwede nyo siyang ibenta as a bundle. So pwedeng samahan nyo to ng iba pang products. And ang maganda dito guys, madali lang siyang gawin. This one only took me around 20 to 30 minutes to make. and ginamit ko lang is Canva. So, punta na tayo dun sa where can we sell this digital product. So, kung gusto niyo magbenta dito sa Philippines, you can sell it in Racket PH. You can also sell in Shopee Philippines. You can sell it in TikTok Shop. So, napaka-powerful din ng TikTok Shop. A lot of the people have already made millions using just TikTok. For international reach naman, for example, you want to earn dollars, you can sell, guys, in Etsy. Another one is Gumroad. Another one is Payhip. So, that's payhip.com. And then, another one where you can sell is Teachable or Thinkific. This is mainly for courses na digital product. Pro tip ko sa inyo is just select one of those platforms. Don't try to sell everywhere at once. So, summarize lang ulit natin, guys, yung step-by-step process. Number 1, pick a niche and validate it. And then step 2, dito na tayo gagawa ng ating product. If it's a printable, you create it with Canva. If it's a course, you can create it with CapCut. And then step 3, you have to figure out your delivery system. Saan nyo isi-save yung file ninyo? So you can use Google Drive. And then kung gusto nyo naman ng mas professional feel, you can go for Dropbox. The 4th step, make sure you build a thank you page for your customers. Step 5, create your listing images. Syempre, you want it to be eye-catching enough so that makikita siya ng mga buyers. Ang next step na, guys, is ililist na natin yung product. Kapartner talaga ng sales ang marketing, you have to share the link to your product to different social media platforms. With all of that, is selling digital products still worth it? And so yes, guys, but only if you treat it like a real business. It is not gonna be an overnight success. Walang magic workout that it's gonna happen overnight. But selling digital products is one of the most beginner-friendly and profitable business that you can start today. So, meron ka ng skills, meron ka ng tools. All you have to do is to just start. So, your one action for today, if you're still watching up to this point, is just go to one of the platforms that we discussed, look at the digital products, and see what will inspire you to create your own. So, comment nyo na lang below, guys. Saan kayo magsisimula? Is it here, locally, or internationally? And kung anong product yung gagamitin nyo, I really wanna know. And once again, guys, my name is Mimi. And here in our channel, we share practical ways of earning money online. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're always updated for new opportunities. Thank you guys for staying and watching with me until the end of this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!